Sewing Center will help you do things right.
Hi, it's Yvonne. Hey, another Ask Yvonne today. So this has been an ongoing question that I have had a number of times this last month since the new update came out. So Procedure 535 has a little glitch in it that is quite annoying. I'm going to show you how to get around that, but I want you to know that when you find a glitch in the program, Handy Quilter really does want to know from you. This one is a known glitch. You don't have to report this one. But if you've got something that keeps happening, send them a little message because they need to know whether it is an isolated incident or if it is something that more than one person is having an issue with so that they can address it if it is a wider spread issue than just maybe user error or something going on with your particular machine. So when I was down there in Utah a couple years ago, I talked with one of the designers and they asked me to share that they really do want to hear from us when we have something going on, or if you have a really good idea, something you'd like this machine to be able to do. One of the things that we talked about a while back was that we wanted an emergency stop. And look what came out on this new update was an emergency stop. There was a group of us who just kept saying, you know, it would be really nice if there was one. I know that stop button is essentially an emergency stop, but we really need it to say that. And they listened to us and they did it. So let's go back to fixing this problem today. So what is our problem we have? When you break a thread or when you do a new start end, you lose your run button. Your run button's grayed out. How come my run button keeps getting grayed out? Let me move the camera up here so I can show you. All right, so I'm working on this quilt here and I just had a thread break. And so right now I just stopped the machine. I hit pause and so I still have a run button. But when I come up here and I go to new start end, look what happens, it goes away. So I'm going to set my new start end. I've got it where I want it. I'm going to come over and do my auto, get my new start end where I want it. Okay, now I still don't have a button. And the reason is, and this is the glitch, is that when you take it out of the quilt button to make any sort of changes, you lose your run. Previously, that quilt button, once you hit it, it stayed on. Right now, if you go to baste, sometimes it goes off, but new start end always toggles it off. So you lose your gray button, or you lose your run button, it turns gray. So just hit that quilt button again, and you are off and ready to go. So I hope that helped. Remember, if you get in trouble, either call Handy Quilter or call Todd or I. We'll help you out. Or you can just send me a message and we'll do an Ask Yvonne, because chances are if you have the questions, so does somebody else. So have a great day quilting.